Hi, I'm Safali and this class is about HTML. It is mainly for students of standard 8, 9 and 10 so that they can understand HTML language easily. So the full form of HTML language is hypertext markup language. This is a special kind of language which is used to create web pages. HTML was founded by the group called World Wide Web Consortium in 1990. It was invented by a scientist called Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, to get started with HTML documents, only two things we require. One is text editor or HTML editor, so you can use a notepad, and the second one is web browser. You can use any web browser like a Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Mozilla Firefox. So to write an HTML document, you need to understand something about what is tags. What is tag? And so a tag is a special word. A tag is a special word enclosed in angle bracket. You can see this HTML which we have written inside an angle bracket. This is a tag. This is called a tag. I'll say a tag tells the browser to perform an action as asked by the special word. So just basically, what is a tag? It is an instruction which we give to browser to do some particular task, and the tag comes in pair. So whenever we open a tag, we need to close the tag. So here you can see HTML, we have opened a tag, then we need to close it by a /. So there are a few more examples of tag are like B, this one, stands for bold tag, I stands for italic tag, P stands for paragraph tag, and etc. So the structure of HTML document, you can see here HTML. First thing which we need to write is the HTML tag. It means that our document has started. And at the end, we need to write them HTML with a /. That means that a document has ended. The first part of our HTML document is the head. So inside head, we need to write title. Inside the head tag, we have added the title tag. Here we give the title of our web page. So the head tag is mainly used to give title for our web page. And the body, this is the most important. The second part is the body. This is the most important tag, and it is the visible part of the web page. So we can add anything in a web page like a text. We can add anything in a web page like text, pictures, video, audios, and so the second section means the body part. The body tag of the web page begins with the tag body tag. This defines the visible section of the document. It is the visible part. Basically, it means that it is the visible part. It has a number of attributes which controls the overall appearance of the document. So the characteristics or the feature of a tag are defined by an attribute. Mainly, we have a tag. We have tag, and the tag have attributes. So it helps them to add many components inside our web page. And basically, the attributes are used inside a tag. Like you can see here, a body. This is a body tag. Inside this, we have used BG color, background color, because we wanted to change the background color to yellow. That's why we written yellow. If you want to change the background color to red, then you need to write here red inside the inverted commas. And and here is the heading tag. Heading tag is used to display the heading or the main topic on the web page. This tag varies from heading 1 to heading 6. This is a container tag. Okay, the heading tag H1 shows the heading with the largest font size. As you increase the number in the heading tag, the font size goes on decrease. So this H1, if you add, this is the largest heading tag. and then this is the second largest, the third largest, and similarly it goes on decreasing. The size of the font goes on decreasing. Like H6 is the smallest heading font. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to write your first web page. So you need to open a notepad. Okay, so I have opened a notepad, and you can see here like HTML. First thing which we need to do is HTML. Then we need to add a head tag, and then inside it we need to give a title. So what title should we give? We should give, okay, this is my first web page, my first web page. So this is my title. So I'll close this title tag, and then I'm going to close the head tag. Fine, this is done. So our first part is done. The second part is body. So I'm going to open my body part, and here, so what should I, okay, the first thing I will give a heading. So for heading, what we need to add is H1. I gave H1. So I'll write what? This is my first web page. This is my, okay, so my first web page. Okay, so this is my first web page, and now I'll close the heading H1. Okay, so, and I'll show you that H2, how H2 will look. H2 will look fine. So like my name is Rahul, fine, H2. So now we need to close it, and now I'll show you H3, H6. Now I'll go for H6, so that you could know the difference in font size. I study in standard 8. Fine. So I need to close it. H6. Okay, done. And I want to make a paragraph. I want to write a paragraph about something, like paragraph about my hobbies. Okay, I want to write about my hobbies. Fine. And I have quite a few hobbies, like reading, not reading, like doing yoga, doing yoga and all. Fine, I'll close it. I'll close the paragraph. I want to make it bold, so I'll add B inside it, and here B. So this will make this sentence bold. Okay, this will make the sentence bold, and I want to make write something in italic. So I will write I am from Delhi, and I will close it. Okay, so I closed it. I closed the paragraph. I didn't close the bold. I need to close that bold tag. I closed the italic tag. Okay, I closed these things. And yes, I need to add one attribute. I want to change the color of my web page. So what should I write here? BG color equal to what? Yellow. I want, okay, leave yellow, green. green. Fine. Now what we should do, okay, fine. And now I want to close this web page. I'll write HTML with a / and then it's done. I opened the HTML document, I closed the document, I opened the head tag, I closed it, I opened the body. Okay, I need to close the body tag. I just forgot to close the body tag. Always remember to close all the tags. Fine. And then what the next thing is, you need to save it. To save it, go to save as, go to file, then go to save as, click on save as, and here give something like any name, and you need to give .html. Always you need to give HTML or STM. You need to save as HTML or STM, and click on save, and you can see here it is showing. Yeah, it has been saved here. I'll go and click on that, and you can see what